Dear student, welcome to the Ask Rare Class Notes YouTube channel. We have started solving 195 SLO Based Computer Science MCQs of Class 11 Unit-wise in 9 lectures. Today in the Lecture 9 we will solve 20 MCQs on Chapter 8 Database Development. You can find all lectures links in the description. Before starting lecture number 9, I once again request you please support and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like, comments and share the video. Thanks. MCQs number 1. Which of the following is used to gather information based on one or more criteria? Option A, table. Option B, form. Option C, query. Option D, report. Correct answer is option C, query. MCQs number 2. Which data field type is used to provide descriptive comments? Option A, text. Option B, memo. Option C, auto number. Option D, yes or no. Correct answer is option B, memo. MCQs number 3. Selecting records in a table that match a given criteria is known as option A, sorting data. Option B, searching data. Option C, updating data. Option D, filtering data. Correct answer is option D, filtering data. MCQs number 4. The maximum number of records in a table that can use the auto number field is slightly more than option A, 1 million. Option B, 1 billion. Option C, 2 billion. Option D, 3 billion. Correct answer is option C, 2 billion. MCQs number 5. The database object stores all the information of a database is option A, table. Option B, form. Option C, query. Option D, report. Correct answer is option A, table. MCQs number 6. What is the default value of a number of characters for a text data type in Access? Option A, 30. Option B, 40. Option C, 50. Option D, 60. Correct answer is option C, 50. MCQs number 7. Which query is used to add records from a table to another table? Option A, select query. Option B, update query. Option C, append query. Option D, make table query. Correct answer is option C, append query. MCQs number 8. Which query is used to change data in existing records? Option A, select query. Option B, update query. Option C, append query. Option D, make table query. Correct answer is option B, update query. MCQs number 9. In which tab of the Access ribbon relationship icons is located option A, Home. Option B, Create. Option C, External Data. Option D, Database Tool. Correct answer is option B, Create. MCQs number 10. In which tab of Access ribbon query design icon is located? Option A, Home. Option B, Create. Option C, External Data. Option D, Database Tool. Correct answer is option D, Database Tool. MCQs number 11. Which of the following is not a database object? Option A, table. Option B, form. Option C, query, option D, report. Correct answer is option C, query. MCQs number 12. Which of the following database objects is created first before any other is created? Option A, table. Option B, form. Option C, query. Option D, report. Correct answer is option A, table. MCQs number 13. Which of the following objects is used to extract information from the database? Option A, table. Option B, form. Option C, query. Option D, report. Correct answer is option C, query. MCQs number 14. Which object is the output of the database application? Option A, table. Option B, form. Option C, query. Option D, report. Correct answer is option D, report. MCQs number 15. Tables in a relational database are related by sharing. Option A, field. Option B, report. Option C, record. Option D, query. Correct answer is option A, field. MCQs number 16. Forms are designed to: option A, input data. Option B, manipulate data. Option C, accept change. Option D, all. Correct answer is option D, all. MCQs number 17. In MS Access, which form layout is used to display a single record at a time? Option A, tabular. Option B, columnar. Option C, datasheet. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option B, columnar. MCQs number 18. A report may be based on: option A, a table but not a query. Option B, a query but not a table. Option C, both a table and a query. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option C, both a table and a query. MCQs number 19. The extension of the MS Access database is: option A, .mdb. Option B, .msd. Option C, .ac. Option D, madb. Correct answer is option A, .mdb. MCQs number 20. A database consists of various components called: option A, tools. Option B, properties. Option C, objects. Option D, entities. Correct answer is option C, objects. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question related to computer science, please write me in the comments. We will try our best to solve it for you. Class 11th and 12th PDF notes. Available at very nominal price. Please contact WhatsApp. If you like this efforts, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and do not forget to like and share the video.